Thank you very much. Thank you for this opportunity of showing you and present you what is being done here. As you can see near here, we have built and complete a big room, and the room is used as sewing room. Not only sewing activity only, but it is used for soap making, bead bag making, and other activities. And near here behind me, you can see a big room as well. This is the chicken house, the house that we have been complete for breeding chickens. And near the chicken house, we have a big tank to keep water. That water will be using for watering what will be planting here. And near the chicken house, we have bathrooms, and near bathrooms you have a small tank. It is used for cleaning the bathrooms. But not only that, we have enough land here, and we want to extend buildings so that you can have a meeting room and a big room that it can be divided into different rooms for different purpose, as offices, as meeting room, as bead making group, and it can be used as well as a room where we can teach young girls about reproduction and different activity and different ways of their own development. Thank you very much.